Hello and welcome to the Offsite Construction Series, offsitedirt.com construction news. My name is Audrey Grabesic. I am the owner of Modular SureSite. We are a modular consulting firm for residential and commercial projects. We also have a dedicated factory line.
And now we have Charlie, who will introduce Fading West for us.
Good morning, everybody. Fading West really started with the mission of creating attainable housing in Colorado. I'm not a developer, I'm not a general contractor. I actually have a background in manufacturing and kind of stumbled into this need for attainable housing here in the Rockies. We're located in Buena Vista, right in the kind of dead center of the state. And we just saw this huge need for the people who really create these towns and create thriving communities. They just couldn't find housing anywhere in the towns that they worked in. So we started Fading West as to try to figure out attainable housing. And really that started with working with factories in Nebraska and trying to figure out how to integrate development with construction, with offsite modular components, and bringing that all in as a high quality, architecturally interesting design, but still attainable for someone making between 80 and 150% of the area's median income. So that's kind of our mission statement. And this factory, we decided about 2 years ago to jump into building our own factory for a lot of different reasons. One, we were shipping 500 miles to get into the state and just pretty inefficient. So this factory is going to be about 110,000 square feet. We're 96 days from production start. We've been working on it for about a year now. And we think this factory will put out between 1 million to 1.2 million square feet of housing a year. We were really aiming at a very, very efficient, very standardized product line, still flexible, but very modular Lego block type components. And yeah, so this is who we are and super excited. About half of our production will go to our own developments. This is our first development here in Buena Vista. Is the farm. It actually was kind of testing this idea of how to create attainable housing, but using offsite production. And this will be sold out, 218 units will be sold out in about 5 years. So it's just massive need in the Rockies, and this is how we're trying to bring some affordability to the state.
And it is very needed. Thank you, Charlie, and welcome to the panel.